Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Kennedy claim of the Congress to switch over to the NPP, accountability demanded from the MDA and Police Department, police organized public awareness campaign in Chokpot area, and two-wheeler thief landed in police dragnet. And now the news in detail. The Congress is on the receiving end of losing another leader and former MLA from Maolung, Shri Kennedy Kriem, who is prepared to join the NPP fold in the coming weeks. The news of Mr. Kriem switching side to the NPP has added another moral big boost up to members of the party across the state. Shri Lamprang Bla, MDC of Maolung, told media persons that the welcome ceremony for this event will be held on July 26th. Shri Kennedy represented the people of Maolung in 2013 to 18, lost to S.K. Sun in the last election and again in the by-election last year to Shri Eugene Sun Lingdo, son of late S.K. Sun.
Maolung buat dia dekat berki buat dia dekat ba lakukan nu ngiyo ban pedem IT project marko baglong hoj ka jitai ka ya tabalong ka menta ka khamsuki tingha ban budien ya kani teng bong mane ngi mo ngi don la ka tema bat ngadi NDC tingis nang bodin en kam bandio troino ba kam tam ni ba ndio basang no te college badio penbiak no iki mo ha di ki sanction posi we ba kalong jimuto iki brio juga ketika sino kai ma ba thani borokoi.
Shri Erwin Knos Em Sutanga, one of the prominent lawyers in the state, in his social and educational lecture for the benefit of the general public, informed that the MDA government and the police department have failed to deliver justice and fairness in deliverance and action in public service. He said the MDA government had failed to make public the report of the Inquiry Commission on the killing of Chesterfield Thank-You. He also pointed out the failure of the police department, particularly the anti-corruption wing, which failed to take suo motu actions against many charges of corruption, such as illegal coal movement, etc.
Takadaw ngaro nga demand biang matakasli by a report John Justice Wi-Fi on the extrajudicial shooting of Chester Thank-You. It must be made public. Dadakim pelong public ya kadon ke suspicion against the MDA government, kadon ke suspicion against the police. There is a lack of confidence, there is a lack of trust that will be created and that will remain, that if the air is not cleared by releasing that report.
The sub-divisional police officer, along with members of Chokpot Police Station, organized public awareness campaign for the benefit of the public in that area. The main theme of the campaign was avoid buying second-hand vehicles and two-wheelers, as these may be of stolen items that lead the buyers to so many problems. The organizers informed the audience, who are the members of Pickup Association, Auto Association and general public, to check papers and documents if you want to purchase them.
Angaba sol dongjan dak barang ode chakatna angni grita oba ni jonggopong oba aba mamung sol dongja yarani bidong ode ni gaman darang ko dak chakna manja niamsan ansur dak chakna mangen niamsan jokatna mangen niam uta dak kang ode darang ban khana ba manjawa niam uta nasimang lekha dong ode iban niam ko jarak chade darang kon khani ong again ni gaman sanibar gari dam no me phalana aina be dam no me phalobar ana mangen diba gari nako chekabo gari nama nam jama condition ko nibo gari condition ko aur gari lekharan ठीक omong jamar niye mana rai mana anta thani bimongo segate rabo iman dauna depatte gari checking khujani gaman abam asi guja baditana kunpang.
Pulbari police informed that one Bajaj Discover bike was stolen on 28th June, belonged to one Brinitha Marak from a village Rongchandal Gre near Chibinang Bikong Gre, and police arrested one Baite A Sangma. According to police, the stolen bike has been recovered and kept at Damal Asim locality. The police informed the owner to come and stake claim of his property. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.